Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to download the question paper for CCT 6 and 7, how to attempt it, how to lock it, and how can we know our score. Okay, first of all, you have to visit Google Chrome. Okay, you have to type PISA, PISA, okay, dot SESHAUN. Okay, you can see. Then you have to log in on that site pisa.SESHAUN.government.in oblique CCT slash. Okay, you have to visit that site. The site is pisa.SESHAGUN.government.in slash CCT slash. Okay, then you have to enter username and password. Actually, this username and password are given by your school or by your class teacher. Okay, so I also having PDF it like that for our school. That is the PDF PISA school user ID. Okay, now you see, suppose I just try with one student. His name is Thaniel. Okay, THANIAL. In this file we can get username and password, and this is different for different school. Okay, now you see that Thaniel is here. Okay, so the username and password both are same. You can see this is the username and this is the password. Username and password both are same. Okay, so what you do, you just copy it. You just copy the username. Okay, then just go to the site. Okay, so you have to paste it. You can type it or you can paste it. Okay, I just paste. Okay, and the same username is the password. Okay, you have to paste it. Then you have to log in. This is your first step. Okay, now you see it is open. Then you need to change the password. You have to change your password for security reason, and you should remember your password or you can note it down. Okay, so you have to type new password. Suppose I type okay, you have to confirm it. That new password and confirm password will be same, must be same. Okay, then you have to enter the email ID. If you don't have your email ID, then you can enter your parents ID, parents email ID, mother or father. Okay, so I enter the student ID. Wait, okay, now you just check that phone number. You need to update it. Update the phone number 9712901337. Okay, then you have to submit it. Again I am telling better. First you just enter username and password. Initially the username and password will be same. Okay, then you have to change the password and confirm password. That new password you can reset. Okay, and the new password again you have to type for confirm it. So then you submit it. Okay, now you see password change successfully. Now now you see beta that again you enter your username. Okay, this is the username. Now wait, now you need to enter the password, and the password is THAN. Okay, this is the new password which you have reset. Okay, then you log in it. Now you see this page. Okay, so to attempt that CCT 6 and 7, first of all you need to download the question paper. Here's the link. This is the link for download the paper. This is your profile. You can change your password. Okay, and this is the training video how to attempt CCT, how to download the question paper, how to lock it, and how can we know our score. So this is the training video. So before attempting that CCT 6 and 7, it is suggested that you just see that video. This video is in Hindi. Okay, if you don't know Hindi, then maybe a problem. This video is in Hindi. So in this, first of all what you do, first of all you just download the question paper. Okay, why? Because you see, if you directly attempt that CCT test, then what is the problem? If you directly attempt the CCT test, if you click on CCT test, then you see you have to select the academic year 2021. Okay, class 7th and CCT 7 or 6, like 7. Okay, so these are the questions. These are the 30 questions you have to attempt. Okay, options are there. Suppose the first question, who would you advise using the adage like God dash 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 adore? So in this what happen, only questions are there. Okay, so only questions are there, means there is no paragraph. Okay, and you don't understand the question also. So first of all you download the question paper. There is a link to download, or the question paper of CCT 6 and 7 may be provided by your class teacher, and if it is not provided by your class teacher, then you just download it. I already downloaded. I just showed you. Wait. Now you see, this is the question paper CCT 7. You can see CCT 7 and CCT 6. So you just click on it. Now you see, this is the CCT 7 question paper. Okay, and I will send in the group also. If you want this question paper, then I will send the link also. Now you see that this is the question paper, critical and creative thinking CCT practice. So this is the pictures, and this is the question. So what happen if you are not downloading the question paper? Without downloading it, if you are trying to do the questions, then you will not understand the question. So first thing, you just download the question paper. Okay, this is the you just download the question paper and then solve the CCT 6 and 7. Okay, first you solve CCT 6 and then CCT 7, or it's your choice. If you want to do CCT 7 first, then you can. Then write your answers on a paper. Okay, first you download the question paper and then solve it. Write your answers on a paper. So options are there, na? Option A, option B, option C, option D. 4 options are there. Okay, you see, 4 options are there. Okay, you have to choose the correct option. Okay, so first you download the question paper, write your answers on a paper and then you visit the site. Wait. This. Okay. So here it is written. You can see. Who do you advise? So in this you see there is a blank. So don't write yes or no. Okay. You have to fill this blank. Which options are given? You see, enter A, B, C, D for answers and N for no option. Suppose your answer is not in the option. So what you do? You have to write N. Okay. Otherwise you have to type A, B, C or D. So for question second, the same instruction. Enter A, B, C, D. Okay. So that's why I just suggest you that first you download the question paper and do the CCT 6 or 7 offline. Write your answers on a paper and then come to the site and then enter your answers. You see there are 30 questions. So okay, but you see that question number 25 is written enter A, B, C, D for answers or N for no option, and please enter Y or no, yes or no. If it is yes, then you type Y, and if it is no, then you type no. Okay, so these are the instructions. So this way you can attempt the questions. Okay, and one more thing, just please enter correct options against each question as per the given codes. For example, that these are the codes, enter A, B, C, D, and for no option that you type N. And in this question you see that question number 25 you have to enter Y or N, means yes or no. Okay, and then attempt 30 questions, don't skip any questions, and then you save it. Okay, so this is the step. And after that there is option log test. Okay, training video you can if you want to see the training video you can also see. Then log test. And one more thing, after logging test, okay, you see first you click on that log test. Okay, you just enter 30 questions in 30 answers and then select the academic year like this. Okay, and select CCT 7 and then you lock it. Okay, because I have not attempted that questions. Okay, so I will not lock it. And one more thing, before locking you should remember that there will be no further correction. Okay, so if you lock it, it means you lock the response also. Okay, all responses will be locked permanently and marks will be calculated. So before locking, kindly recheck your answers. Okay, so this is all about CCT 6 and 7. And if you click on profile, okay, then you see this is your old password. Okay, if you want to change your password, then you can also change your password. Okay, so this is all about CCT test, how to download question paper. Okay, there is a link how to change the password, there is a training video also, and then CCT test and log test. So first of all you just download question paper, offline you will do, and then write your answers on a paper and then attempt CCT test. Okay, for it you have to reset your password also. Okay, reset the password and then you lock it. Okay, if you like the video, please do subscribe and thumbs up. Okay, thank you.